I promise not to waste your time. This is how I grew up in a few months. Let me begin. View from square one. For the next 6 months after I put this video's instructions into practice, my friends and family had no idea who I was. On July 20, 2020, I disappeared for 6 months. Never before have I posted anything online. Get rid of the negative influences in my life already. That serves no purpose for me, so I ghosted them and started looking inward, where I found hope for a change that I know is still feasible, but won't be easy to implement. When something is this easy to accomplish, everybody does it. I really want you to watch this movie because I think it will help you a lot. 6 months later, I'm here to tell you that you can achieve the same success I did, putting together a skincare routine. To achieve radiant skin, you must take proper care of it. See, since it is the first thing people see about me, I made sure to take care of my face. People generate snap judgments about others based on how they seem and often have an unconscious aversion to being in their presence after those judgments are formed. This is not how we should feel, yet I admit it is discouraging. However, it is how humans are wired. We can't do anything about it. We need to fix the problems within our sphere of influence first. This is how I usually start my day. I made it simple for you. After washing my face, I slathered on some moisturizer and then some sunscreen. I think that's all there is to it. Last night, I did just this. Take the identical measures you did in the morning, without sunscreen, and carry them out. Instead, target the retina. Reduced acne, wrinkles, and fine lines, improved skin texture, unclogged pores, and fewer dark spots are just some of the benefits of using retinol. This is like the magic potion that gives you beautiful skin. The words I used in my first comment will be listed here. Second, practice good hygiene. Wash up as often as you can. Put some deodorant on your underarms and pits. Don't wear fragrances that you don't enjoy or that you believe other people would find offensive if you're only going out for 5 minutes. And make an effort to constantly smell pleasant. You should also dismiss the assumption that you will be ignored. They have their heads in the clouds. Everyone here is so kind and polite. If you smell like dog feces, they won't tell anyone. So, make sure you're always clean. You'll feel better about yourself overall. Phase 3 locks in. If I want to get a new haircut, how can I know what style will suit me best? After identifying my facial structure, I did a Google image search for people with similar faces to mine. Can you describe your ideal haircut? You should also take care of your hair on a daily basis. My go-to hairdo is like this. To maintain a neat appearance, I get a haircut every week. I condition my hair every day and wash it once a week. To keep my hair looking good and feeling healthy, I regularly utilize hair care products. In the section where I describe my facial hair, I will also offer a list of the products I use. If you can manage it, grow out your beard. It will give you a more attractive, macho look and feel. Of course, you need to trim it once a week to keep it looking beautiful. Just like I couldn't grow a beard, you can try shaving every day if you want to. Don't shave your legs. Acne instead results from trembling. Acne won't be an issue, and your skin will appreciate the gentler approach. Fifth, mold or some people consider bad breath and yellow teeth to be a red flag. Thus, twice daily brushing and flossing is recommended. You should also try to get the white gunk off the back of your tongue by purchasing a tongue scraper. If your lips are dry, you may want to switch to a fluoride-free toothpaste. Health-wise, it's a far better option. Step 6 lips, the inconvenient and unattractive habit of speaking through your split mouth. Because of this, I come up with a novel approach. For a gentle exfoliation, I use a mixture of sugar and honey on my lips. I pat them dry and then use a moisturizer to make them silky smooth. The same one you use to titillate your skin can also be used for that purpose. Step 7. Clean up your brows. Please pause the video if you have hair in this area between your eyebrows. Get a razor, shave it, and come back. It will only take you a minute to look better. Workout, the 8th stage. For the next 6 months, I intend to focus on gaining muscle. When I first started working out, I had no idea what I was doing. I just showed up and did my preferred form of physical activity. However, I made less money when I used this tactic. Because of this, if you have the financial means to do so, I recommend employing a personal trainer who can assist you in your fitness goals, instruct you if you are a beginner, and provide you with dietary recommendations. I developed a no-cost training program aimed at newcomers. Right now, I can practically hear your rationalizations. Get off the couch and do something useful. You're waiting for someone to save you. I have some news that you just must hear. Nobody is going to come to your rescue. This is the cold, hard truth, but we have to just roll with it. Therefore, it is up to you to rescue yourself. No one came to my aid when I was feeling down and terrified and wished I wouldn't have to face the world again. I just decided to do it and stuck to it. Same here. I found myself here too. I'd like for you to have this too. Dress for the 9th step. Buying new clothes is a great way to boost your self-esteem and confidence. Wear the styles that you find appealing, whether they are baggy, trendy, or a combination of the two. Black, white, navy, blue, and brown are all great options because they work well with a wide variety of other colors. But try to stay away from bright colors like orange, pink, red, and green. Let's talk about the conceptual aspect of a globe now. Pay the most attention to this part. I'll start by telling you my story. If you want to fast forward through this, the minutes are displayed on the screen. Nonetheless, you should listen carefully since you never know when you could learn something important. As I was growing up, I thought you were watching movies to show me the ropes. Since I wasn't making any headway, a YouTuber I was following that I check out this course on mental health, the science of well-being, and how it helped him maintain outstanding mental health. That's when I made up my mind to give it a shot. And then I saw that my habits were changing. My lifetime of chronic headaches vanished after only 2 weeks, and I felt an immediate surge of joy. What I've learned about keeping your mind in good shape is as follows. Regular, consistent awareness. When I initially started meditating, I used a guided meditation that I found on the internet. After that, I was less anxious and more aware of my physical and mental environment. When I allowed myself to think negatively, however, I grew agitated. I thought I must be doing something wrong. Then I saw a photo on Reddit that was a huge help. Please let me explain. Now is the time to close your eyes and follow your breath as it enters your nose. And after reading it, you'll either focus negatively on the Stranger Things episode I'm in or on the fact that we're recording the class today, both of which I hope you enjoy. Most folks here quit up and say meditation doesn't work because of this. However, if you allow yourself to become distracted, you'll need to find a way to bring your focus back. Hamza compared it to a bicep curl for the mind, and he was right. Gratitude journal. Every day, I jot down 3 things for which I am thankful. For instance, I value your attention to my video to this point. Keeping a journal is the best way to get your thoughts organized or to reach a conclusion. It should be made clear that keeping a journal is neither a homosexual nor a girly activity. It's like getting the silent treatment when you can't find somebody to talk to about your problems. If you pick one area of your life in which you are succeeding, you will be able to sleep easier at night. Stop paying attention to what I said in the video and instead focus on obtaining some rest. My mom always told me that sleeping was the most important part of the day. Maintaining a regular bedtime and wake time will help you get the recommended 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. By doing so, you can minimize the appearance of under-eye circles and experience an overall boost in mood and vitality. Lack of sleep diminishes joy and gives you a throbbing, lingering headache, and while you snooze, you can detonate his creation. Keep it in mind. Exercising can boost your mood as well as your physical health and attractiveness. Wow, that's fantastic. Reading books instead of your phone can help you kick the habit of using your device for reading. Reading a book is not only the most effective method for expanding one's horizons, but also for relieving mental anguish. If you want to know how to be wealthy and happy at the same time, The Almanac of Novel Ravik is the book for you. All of my reading is done on a Kindle. To put it simply, it encourages me to read more. My name is Jack. I help people develop into their full potential. If you're into it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It's a win-win for the two of us. Sorry to see you go.